Hey guys, Don here at RPM with our ball joints that we're installing in our two-door JK with the JL axles. Wanted to show you this real quick. Reagan's going to come down and focus here. So the Zerk here is going to head to the back of the vehicle. So as we press this in, the Zerk is going to head to the back of the vehicle on both parts. You have to do a little bit of bevel right here on the knuckle just to make sure the Zerk sits down in there. We've moved our Zerk to the side so that we don't get any rotational issues. Like this is going to run a RCV axle bell in here, and that'll allow us to clearance that for you when you have that kind of an axle system in here. You won't have this interfering with the bell of your axle or your U-joints. So this is going to run that way, and we're going to show you how to install them right now. All right guys, we've got these installed now. We've got our knuckle back on, our RCV shafts are in. Again, this is why we put the Zerks to the back instead of on top. This shaft is so large that right here, we're within a 1/16 of an inch, even with our Zerk off to the back side. So that's why we run them off the back side, and you'll have to just do a little bit of, grind of work on the knuckle right there just to make sure that it can thread back in. That's our JL ball joint install for you.